What's the meaning of connectedness? Connectedness. Connectedness.
Connectedness. Connectedness. Connectedness refers to the degree to which a person feels a sense of belonging, support and closeness with others in their social network. It is the feeling of being part of a larger community and having meaningful relationships with others that provide emotional and practical support. People who feel connected tend to have better mental and physical health outcomes, as well as higher levels of life satisfaction. Connectedness can be fostered through maintaining supportive relationships, engaging in social activities, and participating in group events or organizations.